Hey there, CPO here, and if you've done the Delrin hinge liner upgrade from TMR Customs like I did, and I showed you that in a previous video, you may find that your doors don't shut quite the same. Like there's a little bit more of a harsh closure. So with the new hinge liners, your doors may be raised up on the hinges, maybe a couple of millimeters, which changes how it's hitting this little striker. So this is a quick fix. Let me just show you how to resolve that. If you notice your doors aren't quite closing as easily as they did before. So you can see the shiny spot right here where the door is hitting the striker a little bit on the low side. Instead of freely coming in to this latch, it's hitting here and basically forcing into that latch. So what we want to do is just raise this whole assembly just a little bit. So a T45 Torx, I'm just going to loosen this up. And what you'll find now, this entire piece is allowed to slide up and down. So I'm going to just raise it up a little bit. I've got it loosened up enough that it moves, but there's still just a little bit of tension. And basically what I'm going to do, so I'm basically just adjusting how this all realigns. Looks like I actually put it in a good spot. Just gonna take another look at that. Yep, fixed. All right guys, so that's it. It's an easy fix. If your latch is misaligned after adding in the Delrin hinge liners, that's a common thing that people experience. They're just, you know, like I said, millimeters of a difference. But those strikers are adjustable, so adjust them. So I'm just gonna make that same adjustment to all 4 of my doors and problem solved. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.